Why are there not more people talking about the future of property investment? Dive into the heart of the action at Singapore Expo 2024, where the pulse of the property world beats the loudest. Mark your calendars for the 18th and 19th of May, because the largest property expo is hitting Singapore with a bang. Following last year's record-breaking turnout, Singapore Expo 2024 promises an even bigger spectacle. From mingling with top property moguls to decoding the latest trends, this is your golden ticket to the forefront of real estate innovation. Discover exclusive investment strategies, financing tips that could save you thousands, and future trends that are reshaping skylines around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the property market, this expo is your gateway to becoming a real estate whiz. Don't miss out on the action. Visit Singapore Expo 2024 and step into the future of property. It's more than an expo, it's the future delivered today. Click on the link to register now.